Our lives are stitched with verses. Verses that found us in pain and left us in peace. Verses that got us in darkness and lit up our lives. Some we hear once and forget, but others, they stay with us forever. That is what Athar podcast is all about. A journey with voices you know and stories you've never heard. We sit down with guests, scholars, mentors, you name it, to uncover that one verse that marked their path, shifted their hearts, and left an athar.
Think of what you want to leave behind you as a legacy.
شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن. Ni mwezi wa Qur'ani huu. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this book a special status. It's the most complete manual for life I have ever witnessed, and I have read a lot of books.
And that's why they say education is not about life, education is life itself.
And behind the scenes, it's not just a production. It's an amazing team with one mission: to bring us closer to the Qur'an. Every verse leaves a mark. Every ayah leaves an athar. What's yours?